Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to track customer support tickets in Monday.com. Let's dive straight into it. First up, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the Boards section. Boards are where you can manage and track everything in your workflow, including your customer support tickets. This is significant because it allows you to visually organize and prioritize support requests. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new board specifically for tracking your support tickets. Click the plus new button, name your board something like support tickets, and then hit the create button. By creating a dedicated board, you ensure a centralized location for all your support tickets, making them easier to manage and monitor. Next up, let's customize this board according to our needs. You will see several column headers such as item name, status, and people. Rename item name to ticket ID. This helps us because it gives each ticket a unique identifier, making it easier to track. Also, add priority and due date columns to your board. The reason we do this is to ensure each ticket is handled based on its urgency and deadline. Now, let's move on to who's responsible for each ticket. To do this, click on the People column and assign a team member to each ticket. This is crucial as it ensures accountability and that every ticket has someone working on it. With all of that set up, you're ready to start adding tickets to your board. Simply click on Add, input the ticket details, assign it a priority and due date, and assign a team member to it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add tickets, they are organized and tracked in real time, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This was a basic overview of how to track customer support tickets in Monday.com. The platform offers many more features to streamline your workflow and enhance your customer support experience, so explore those as well. And that's it. You are now equipped to efficiently track and manage your customer support tickets using Monday.com. Remember, the idea is to keep everything organized and ensure every support request is addressed timely and effectively. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy tracking.